Hello once again, and greetings from Japan. Today we have a 2009 April Toyota-Vellfire. It's the 3.5V, the L package or L edition. So it has the full beige leather interior and all the nice options. It's the top of the range version, and let's take a look at it. It's a nice, very nice example. It's the it's a nice clean car. It's a little bit of a touch-up right there on the front. I think that's about the only thing to mention. Of the AFS and HID lights. These cars come standard with 16-inch alloys, but we thought it would look better with upgraded alloys. And these are late style Toyota wheels. I think they're 17-inch or 18-inch. I can't remember. Anyway, if you look at the details somewhere on there. Yeah, we thought it improved the overall look of the car. The standard wheels they're okay, but this looks nice, I think. Nice clean panels and alloys. This one has the power rear gate. They don't all have power rear gates. Most do, but some don't. With the full beige interior, twin sunroofs, rear monitor. Okay. Oops. And it's the Vellfire V6, and a nice clean unmarked rear bumper. Okay. All right. Straight, very straight panels. It's a 2009 April with 62,000 miles. Clean chrome grille. This one has cameras on the front and the side and the rear, and it also has auto retracting mirrors. Let's take a look in the back. With the nice full leather beige interior. Very clean carpets, rear entertainment, sunroofs. Okay, can I move the seat? These seats actually have, they do have power assist on the some of the functions, the reclining rear backrest and the Ottoman feature. And nice clean third seats and carpet. There again. And as usual, we put the handles on these seats. They don't come from the factory with them, but it allows you to move the seat sideways, which Also allows you to move the seats much further into the rear. Why they don't put them on standard in the factory, we don't know. Anyway, we put them on because we think it's a useful thing to have. It comes with the rear remote. Of course, that will be sent with the paperwork. Anything like that, extra keys. Car comes with two smart keys. The extra key, the remotes, etc. will be sent. With the paperwork. They won't be sent with the car, just to avoid any possible loss. It does happen. Okay, nice clean driver seat, which is also, of course, the front seats have power as well, power assist, and the door card with memory driver seat should you have more than one regular driver. Okay, let's all right. Okay, and you can see the mileage there, 100,000 kilometers, which is 62,000 miles. Okay, start her up. And all the warning lights are off. And you've got a rear camera. And you've also got a little switch here. Gives you front views, left and right, and the side, the blind corner on the near side. So you have various cameras to help you. Plus you have sonar parking assist as well. There's all the car manuals and absolutely zero evidence of the car being smoked in. With the center convenience boxes, very useful. Audio controls on the steering wheel with automatic wipers and lights, and cruise control. And up here you have the interior controls for the power doors and the sunroof. Everything works fine. Yeah, it's a little glove box down here. I think that's it. It's a nice clean dash. As we've mentioned previously, an important point with buying a second-hand car is, a really nice, tidy, clean interior, because once an interior gets tired and worn looking, there's not much you can do about it. The exterior, a little bit of plastic paint is no issue, but a tired interior is a no-no. Okay, so let's take a look at the engine. Also, this model, if you like silver, it's quite rare. This particular car predominantly comes in white. A few black ones, and silver, rare silver. I have seen a gold one. Yeah, there's predominantly, most of them are white. It's probably the most popular color in Japan for any car. They used to, in the very early days of this business, it was called Fuji White because literally every car was white Right, quick look at the passenger seat. You can see equally nice. This one also comes with the little optional carpets on the steps, which is nice. Okay, here's the auction sheet. It's a grade 4BB, which is about as good as it gets for this car. Heisei 21 or 2009, April, Vellfire 3.5 VL. This one says edition, some of them say package, I don't know why. 100,000 kilometers, equates to 62,000 miles. And you can see the auction sheet, just very clean car. The little touch up on the very bottom of the front bumper that we showed you at the beginning. Otherwise nothing, just nothing substantial or of any consequence in the comments. Yeah, just a genuinely nice example. As I say, the only thing we did with the car was change the wheels and put the bigger latest style Toyota Alphard wheels on, which, as I say, we felt enhanced the look of the car. Right, so it's, to repeat, it's a 2009 April, 62,000 miles, the Vellfire 3.5 VL package or L edition. If this car is of interest to you, please contact Paul at Japan-Auto-Agents, and he can assist you in arranging the purchase of it and the shipping. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll speak again. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.